Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again, and in this video we will be just checking the interface of our Windows 10 after upgrading to Windows 19.03, which is the latest update of Microsoft, which was released in May 2019. So we'll be talking about the sound properties. Earlier, when you used to right click on your sound icon at the bottom right corner, you used to get something called sound, and when you used to click on that, you used to get the sound properties. But now if you click on any of them, you will not get that icon, you will not get that sound property window. So I'll click them one by one. Troubleshoot, you already know it will open up a troubleshooter, so we are not interested in that. We are not interested in this also. We can either open volume mixer, which will open up this, so it remains the same. It is the same which which was like in previous update. But when you open sound settings, you get this icon. You get this pop-up where you have lots of settings of sound. You can play with them, adjust them accordingly. If you have any problem, you can run a troubleshooter. But what if you are looking for that sound property window? So I'll tell you what you need to do to get that sound property window. You just need to right click on that speaker icon and go to open sound settings and simply scroll down, and instead of sound properties, now they have changed it to sound control panel. If you click sound control panel, this is your sound property window. Here you can change anything that you want. You can increase or decrease the volume of speaker input or output. You can make changes in input or output settings. So as we have speaker or headphone over here, we can make any change, like we can increase the levels, or so we can get this we can get more sound. So you can play with the settings, and same with the recording device. You have all the options. Okay, well, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video, because obviously people will be either calling technical support or they'll be searching on YouTube. Thank you very much. Once again, I request you people to subscribe to my channel. Please click the like button if you like the video, and make sure when you subscribe to my channel, you also click on the bell icon next to subscribe button, so you can get the updates of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye bye.